Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're going to take a drive around the Mandeville Lakefront area on the north shore of Lake Pontchartrain. We begin on Monroe Street heading east. Mandeville is a small city on the north shore of Lake Pontchartrain with an estimated population of 12,288 as of 2018. The area had long been agricultural land when the town of Mandeville was laid out in 1834 by developer Bernard de Marigny. In 1840, Mandeville was incorporated as a town. It became a popular summer destination for well-to-do New Orleanians wishing to escape the city's heat. In the mid-19th century, regular daily steamboat traffic between New Orleans and Mandeville began, and by the end of the Victorian era, it had become a popular weekend destination of the New Orleans middle class as well. Bands would play music on the ships going across the lake and at pavilions and dance halls in Mandeville, and the town became one of the first places where the new jazz music was heard outside of New Orleans. In the late 19th century, Mandeville was home of the Harvey School, a college prep institution. Two buildings from early jazz history still stand in Mandeville. Ruby's Roadhouse has been in continuous operation since the 1920s and is still a popular bar and live music venue today. The Dewdrop Social and Benevolent Hall, listed on the National Register of Historic Places, opened in January of 1895. For years, the hall hosted some of the jazz greats and was reopened in 2000 as the Dewdrop Jazz and Social Hall, a live jazz venue. In 1956, the first span of the Lake Pontchartrain Causeway opened to automobile traffic. A second span was added in 1969. The new road spurred the growth of Mandeville and the surrounding area as a suburban commuter community for people working in New Orleans. This trend increased in the 1980s and 1990s, further integrating Mandeville into the greater New Orleans metropolitan area. We now reach Lake Pontchartrain and head back west on Lakeshore Drive. On the left is the linear Lakefront Park where locals jog and walk their dogs. The path along the lake connects two playgrounds on the west and east ends. Along the path, arbors, swings, and benches can be found to rest, and many beautiful historic homes decorated by giant oak trees and several restaurants front the lake. Here we reach the western end of Lakeshore Drive and notice the home on the right that's up for sale. We've often been asked about the prices of homes in the comment sections of our city drives. This 1,800 square foot, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house is listed for $879,000. Home values along the lake here range from about that amount to as high as $2.5 million. Finally, we're going to take a ride down this road to Sunset Point, which has a view of the Lake Pontchartrain Causeway. The causeway still holds the world's record for the longest continuous bridge over water at nearly 24 miles. The two bridges are constructed from pre-stressed concrete, which is compressed during fabrication in a manner that strengthens it against tensile forces, which will exist when in service. When the causeway was under construction, each span was fabricated off-site and then carried out into the lake on a barge and then lifted into place by a crane. Why are we talking about this now? Well, this empty, overgrown land to the right is the site where the spans were fabricated. The plant closed in 1983 and the land has been unused since then. As of early 2019, there are plans to develop the tract into a commercial and housing development called Port Marigny. At the end of this road is Sunset Point. This park is open to the public 24 hours a day and features a 400-foot fishing pier. We're going to conclude the video here, although we're too early for sunset. This is by no means all of Mandeville, and we'll be back at some point in the future to cover some more, but that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.